going on, BSG? So today we're gonna start some wiring. I want to get these injectors wired up, and then we'll see where we go from there. So let me grab the box and let's see what we got. As you guys can see, I covered up my lower intake, so I'm gonna just sit there right there for right now. So our kit is the 55937 Terminator X for Ford self-learning EFI system with the 3.5 screen, but I got a 12.3 screen in the dash, which I'll show you guys here shortly. But I'm going to put this down here. I'm just gonna grab out this injector harness. This here is our injector harness. Now, it comes set up one for the right, for the right bank. That's left. This is right. Okay, on this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. That side is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we need to make sure we plug in the right stuff. So we got here 1, 2, 3, 4. So this thing is gonna be like this. So, well, it's not gonna lay just like that easy and be bang, we're done. No, it's not like that. What we need to do is figure out how we want to route this. Now, what I did while y'all was off, while y'all wasn't here, I decided to put these hoses on. I should have put this here on, but I'm not gonna worry about it just yet. Just so I can route these in the direction that I want it, to make sure that it makes sense as we're doing it. Of course, as we keep adding, we're probably going to change positions on how stuff is sitting, but we're going to keep it moving just for right now. And I think that we should go. This here should, in fact, this here is my cable, my throttle cable that I just got. Lay that down like that again, and like I told y'all before, if y'all seen my other video, is that these lines here may be in the way a little bit. We're going to have to turn stuff around, move stuff around to adjust. Now I'm gonna go over here behind my motor, and we're gonna run that plug that way because we're going in there. All right, we're going right up in there. All right, so, well, we're gonna have some wires come out of there. All right, so let's see what we can do here. Okay, this is 2, this is 1. So I want to go up under this stuff here, make sure I grab the right one, because if you don't, it's not gonna start. And there's only one way these things go on. And you hear snap when you get on there. Come on, baby, get on there. There we go. All right. So now we got 4, and we got 3 right here. So This side is much easier. Get this out the way. This is my gooseneck hose. Put you right there. Not putting it on yet because I don't have a thermostat in there. So this is 7. So right here is 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got another sensor right here. I can't remember what it is. This here is going to be a plug. So let's see what else we got in the box. All right, good people. So here go the rest of the engine management harness. Now, this stuff here is going to be inside. Now, as I look at this, there's a few things on here that I don't need. And it's doggone bringing up GM. It's looking GM, which they do. This harness is for the Ford, but it has GM sensors. That's the way they made it. And they plug into what you have. So, because they made the adapters that way as well. So let's see if we can get this here through that hole, and then the rest of this is gonna be out here somewhere. And I really need to look at the doggone directions, but I don't think I'm there yet. But I think I really need to do that. But we're gonna keep it moving for right now, all right? So this is going inside, and I'm hoping that you get your butt in here. See, I'm supposed to. I need to find this piece here first. Let me find that piece, man. Hopefully y'all see that. This piece down in here. Let me find that piece, man, first. So I can, which is a basically a rubber seal that goes in here, which is originally where the main harness come through, the engine harness for a 302 regular Ford factory OEM stuff. So I want that seal. So for the life of me, I can't find it. So that means I'm gonna have to order one. And I will, but what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna stick this thing through there anyway to try to start lining up the wires that gotta go back and across inside. So, and we can always pull this back out. All right, so let's move inside, see what we got going. All right, so you see the wires are coming down from the side here. So, which is the same place as the wires run for the factory. So let's get everything down that we need, which is, I believe, is right here. So that was easy. So our next deal that we need to do, figure out, is our ECU is going to sit right here. So that means that everything we got here needs to be able to reach here, which is going to have to come up a little further. So let's I need some more slack from that. All right, guys, so let's take a look here. So here we go. This here is our Terminator X. It bolts down right here. So I have to go buy some bolts for that. So didn't come with the kit. Now this here is about basically where we're gonna, how far we're gonna go with this here, because we have to we need things from here, from this point, which is this is the power. These two plugs plug into here, and this goes back this way. And this hose here is the map, which is going to run to our plug into our tree up there in the front once I install it. So I'm going to show you guys how we plug this up. And then, like I told y'all before, I got to get some damn directions going, man, because I want to get this part done, because it needs to get done so we can move on to other things, because everything is wanting to be done now, and I'm wanting it to be done. So let me set you up here. ECU up, and we're going to move on to something else, because this ECU plate bolts down under the chair, so they'd be out of the way, so-called out of the way anyway. So and there's only one way you can plug this in, because it is sized out to fit. So let me move this over here to that side. So this here plugs in just like that. You can hear the positive snap. You go to the next one. Bam, there we go right there. And then we need this thing here, which we need to cut to open it up. Jesus Christ. Got to be more prepared. All right, now, if anybody feels like I'm zooming through this, it's because I've hooked up one of these systems before, but I still need to look at the instructions to make sure that I'm doing it correctly, which I haven't even did yet, because basically so far it's been nothing but plug and play. All right, so here go our power, and this is going to go from here, and I think that I'm gonna bolt this right to this thing here, so it'll be right here, out of the way. Bolt it right there. That'll work great right there. At least I'm in hopes that it works great right there. In fact, let's go up under here, so we don't have to bend that too hard. There we go, just like that. And we run this here to the back. Let me get this stuff moved over to that side, and so we can do business. All right, so here we go. So this here is our positive and our negative, and this has to run straight to the battery. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Straight to the battery. And our battery is back there in that box. So we're gonna lay this back there. Just to make sure that we can reach. Gotta remember, you want to lay this in a way that you know that your back seat is gonna still fit. It won't be smashing your cable. Now, as you can see, we have more than enough. More than enough. So right in here into this battery box. That's right, we ain't got no battery yet neither, so we don't need it yet. All right, so seeing how I just moved all this stuff over there, I'm gonna move it back over here in an orderly fashion, and so we can get to that monitor over there. All right, guys. So I'm gonna stop right here for today. You can see that right there. That's in there. That power wire ran to the back. It's gonna sit good up under the carpet without an issue. I wanna straighten all that stuff up over there, and we're gonna get that out. But reason why I'm stopping today, I'm going to buy a battery tomorrow. Yeah, we need to get some power going and everything. And then I'm gonna give y'all a little spot, you know, take y'all through everything what we got going in here, because I done kind of forgot, so I need to damn refresh myself because it's been a while. I do know that I can, you can see those over there. Oh. These here will be able to tell me the voltage, and also be able to connect up the computer straight through there instead of trying to hunt it down through the carpet. There goes another one over here. Not just the voltage, but it's also can tell me, can plug into anything you need over here. So that'll be good for that side. Yeah. Like I said, we got that 12.3 in there. So we're gonna plug it up and everything, see if we can get some stuff going here. But that's gonna be tomorrow, y'all. So